To remove the power switch, first remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the upper optical drive. Detach the power switch connector to the motherboard, and free the connector from the cable guides above the upper optical drive bay. Firmly squeeze the bottom of the power switch to disengage it from the PC, and pull the switch and its connector out the front. The power switch has tabs on the top, side, and bottom that fit into slots on the chassis. To replace the power switch, thread in the connector through the front of the PC. Hook the top tab of the power switch into its slot on the PC, and press the side and bottom tabs into place. Tuck the connector in its cable guides above the optical drive. Attach the connector to the motherboard.